gosh, what in the world? I really had not. Did you know what this is? What it looked like?
It's not supposed to. It's supposed to be liquidy.
Well, this is condensed.
Yeah, I know. Foods class, it was liquid.
Well, we'll just see what happens because it says condensed. Okay, where's the? Don't stir it with
I'm
that.
not.
Okay. Now, get the milk out, the 2% milk. No, we need to open it. A half and a half make 8. So do 3 of those.
Quarter.
No, a half and a half make a whole. So make 3 of those.
Two, 3.
Okay, let me see if we need 4 cups of sugar. You can stick those butter sticks in there.
Butter sticks. Where are the butter sticks?
Oh, behind the.
Oh?
Yeah, because it says, remember 16. Doesn't it say 8 tablespoons on here? See 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or there's 8 right there, look.
Yeah. Duh,
So-
you're counting backwards.
So put those in there. Do I have another? I don't know if that's a 2 or a 1. I don't trust it. Okay, butter. Now we need 4 cups of the sugar. And then, these are the ingredients, Kaylee. Can't believe it. Okay, this is wet, but that's okay. Move the handles. No, I mean, you hold it, please. Is everything we put in here sweet?
Is that
You think
a
that's
problem? Yeah.
Okay. That's
Dump
good.
it.
Yeah. 1. Look at all that sugar. I mean, put. Okay, because some of it's not coming off. 2. I went and got a new 10 bag of sugar, 10 pounds, thinking I need it. Is this number 3?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like,
You're doing that and you lost track of time.
well, I was thinking 10 pounds. Go ahead.
How many more?
1. This is it. 4. So. Okay. So let me put this. Oh wait, we forgot something.